Hello everyone, welcome to Singapore. Ngayon ay bigyan ko kayo ng room tour. Ito yung kabuuang compound or complex ng hotel namin, which is the DC Resort downtown East Singapore. Dumating kami dito around 9 AM kahapon, pero kailangan mag-check-in pa ng 12. So dahil may F1 weekend kami, we directly went to the track and the city. Pero dumating kami mga 12 AM or I think 1 AM na madaling araw, kasi doon natapos sa ganung oras natapos ang race. Kaya ayan, so we'll give you a room tour. So, ang room na binook namin ay actually Rainforest Room. Ang room na ito ay I think Mangrove Room, na actually is an upgrade from our Rainforest Room na binook. So, ito yung room namin. It has an open closet. Tapos meron siyang actually a mid-size refrigerators. The biggest na ref na nakita ko sa isang room na sa mga hotels na pinunta namin. So ito yung beds. 2 queen size beds for 4 persons actually. So yung Rainforest Room sana na makukuha namin ay pang 2 tao lang at mas maliit kumpara dito. And so may ceiling fan, TV. Actually it's a cable TV kasi 8 channels lang. Excuse us for the mess kasi madaling araw na talaga kaming nakarating. And ito pa yung mga essentials or mga amenities na meron sila. Coffee, hot water maker, and ayan, ito kasama, mugs kasama. Ito meron mga essentials namin, snacks, payong kasi umuulan pag tuwing hapon, pero mga 1 oras lang. And then yung panalunan namin sa Orchard, McLaren setup display ng kanilang full-size F1 Lego McLaren. May mga games na binibigay doon sa mga bata, mga matatanda. Then ito yung souvenir namin, ang kanilang pop-up store. Then meron silang phone, laptop ko. So sa room na ito merong view of the mangrove and sa labas. We are on the 3rd floor and may balcony, merong sampayan din sa labas at napakatahimik niya. So yun, may dalawang room, may 2 beds and aircon, of course, and a TV. So basic lang. So we're just we'll be staying here for the next 3 nights. So ito naman rin tayo sa restroom nila, CR. Basic lang. May sink, mirror, and the toilet. May sabitan, shower, hot and cold shower. Wala silang gripo, may heater, may hair and body wash sila na provided. Although monthly lang Actually, wala sila masyadong toiletries na pinupahid, kundi itong soap lang, single soap. Although merong hair blower, hair dryer naman. So, and they provided 4 bath towels, which is actually sakto para sa occupants ng room na to, intended for 4 people. So ito yung key package na binigay nila when we checked in. And so the resort downtown East. First off, they provided us yung Wild Wet na rate card nila flyer. So Wild Wet is actually just beside the resort and parang splash island, and they have rates exclusive for guests na hotel. I think that's $18 for the per guest ng hotel, and yun pala 18 and 25. Okay, that's room was M363. It's actually M for Mangrove Forest. And okay, so it needs a key. So actually there are 2 keys. Isa na yung nandun sa door. And they provided us vouchers or discount coupons para sa mga restaurants doon sa Downtown East Mall. Okay. So helpful din to. And what else? Nothing else, just the Wi-Fi password. So ito yung map ng hotel. So yun, isa siyang complex. So ito yung entrance, main entrance. And for pedestrians, may access naman sila, pero tulad ng video ko dun sa lobby, it has just a vehicle ramp going to the 2nd floor to the main lobby. At yun, they have free shots actually that starts at 11, I think 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. And so we're located dito sa level 3 Mangrove, and dito pa lang. So kaya tanaw namin yung lobby from the 3rd floor, at dito yung mangroves ng area. So yan.